Today I'm going to teach you how to track offline conversions with Google Ads and Zapier. This is incredibly useful if you want to measure sales or leads that happen outside your website, like phone calls or in-store purchases, and feed that data back into Google Ads so you can see which campaigns are truly driving results. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. Zapier is the bridge that will connect your CRM to Google Ads, allowing offline conversion data to flow automatically between the two platforms. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Look for the button labeled Zap and click on it. This will open the Zap editor, which is where you'll build the automation that sends conversion data from your CRM to Google Ads. In the Zap editor, you'll see a section labeled Trigger. Click on it. The trigger is the event that kicks off your automation. In the search bar that appears, type CRM. You'll see a list of CRM platforms pop up, so go ahead and choose the one you use, whether that's Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, or any other supported CRM. This is the source of your offline conversion data. Once you've selected your CRM, a submenu will appear asking you to choose a trigger event. This could be something like new lead, updated deal, or closed sale, depending on what your CRM offers. Pick the event that represents a conversion you want to track. After making your selection, click Continue. Next, you'll need to connect your CRM account to Zapier. Click the button to sign in and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. This allows Zapier to access the data it needs to pull conversion information from your CRM. Once the connection is established, you'll be able to move forward. Now it's time to configure the Google Ads action. In the Zap editor, look for the section labeled Action and click on it. The action is what happens after the trigger fires. In this case, sending conversion data to Google Ads. In the search field that appears, type or select Google Ads. This tells Zapier where you want the data sent. Once you've selected Google Ads, another submenu will appear asking you to choose an action event. From the options, select Send Offline Conversion. This is the specific function that allows you to report conversions that happened offline directly to your Google Ads account. Finally, connect your Google Ads account by clicking Continue and following the authorization steps. This links your Google Ads account to Zapier so the conversion data can be pushed through automatically. Once connected, you'll be able to map fields from your CRM to the required fields in Google Ads, ensuring the data flows correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up offline conversion tracking between your CRM and Google Ads using Zapier. Now every time a conversion happens in your CRM, Google Ads will be notified, giving you a complete picture of your campaign performance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.